Hey guys, welcome to another week of Learn, Do, Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know me, my name is Carrie and we have Meredith who's going to help me to do another tutorial.
Today she's going to show you how to do a pull-through crown braid, so let's get started.
Anything I use in this tutorial, I'll leave a link in the description box below. So what you're going to do is you're going to section off from ear to ear. So from here all the way around to the other side of the ear. Okay, I'm going to hold the hair back here in place just temporarily, just to get it out of the way. Okay, so now you're going to start right here. You're going to take a section, so from here to here, about 2 inches. I'm going to secure them off into the elastic band. Okay, I'm going to secure it right here. And when you secure them, make sure you secure it back here, not right here, just behind, almost behind the ear, close to this line, okay? You're just going to keep doing that section. So you're going to do all the way over to the other side. You're going to section them all off. So again, another 2 inches. And then you're just going to continue to do that all the way to the other side of her ear, right here. Okay, so now I'm going to let this one go here in the back, and now I'm just going to create the ponytails. I'm just going to go ahead and section them downwards and make ponytails all the way around. So I'm going to go ahead and just section it downwards and create a ponytail down this way. When you make your ponytails back here, make sure that they are aligned. Depending on the size of the head, you're going to have more or less of the ponytails. So you're going to start right here. You're going to split it in half. And then you're going to skip this, put it right in between there, and go to this one right here and secure it off in an elastic band. And then you're just going to go ahead and tug this out. Okay, so now you're going to take this one now right here, and you're going to split this in half. You're going to skip this and go to the next one over here and secure it off in an elastic band. And then you're just going to tug a little bit right here on that. And just stretch it and pull it out. Now you're going to take this one here, split it in half, skip this one. Now you're going to go to the next one and secure it. And just keep on continuing all the way around. I'm going to take the last one and put it into an elastic band, and I'm just going to make a little hole in there. I'm going to separate it, okay, and I'm just going to take my 2 fingers in and grab this one right here, pull it through. Again, I'm going to put an elastic band, make a hole, get here, put my 2 fingers in there, and grab this one, pull it right through. And you're just going to continue. Now I'm just going to go ahead and then pull them out. I'm going to secure this together with an elastic band. I'm going to close it off like this. Okay, so now I'm just going to go back over. I'm going to tug and pull to make them bigger. So I'm just going to go ahead and hide this right under here and secure it off with a bobby pin. And put little flowers right in between. Little hairspray. And there you have it. Final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. If there's a style that you would like us to recreate, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click the logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. To watch more of our videos, click on over there and there. Until next time, learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys!